Hey guys, what's up? Crazy redneck back here again. Combining some beans. Rained yesterday, so I had the day off. My head fucking hurts like shit though. Yeah, I think this is our second to last field, and we're on to corn after this. Yeah, so I decided to make a video before we got all the beans done. Yeah. We didn't start till, well, I showed up to work at 8 this morning, but you know, we get the combines ready and shit, and it was too wet, and we didn't start till about 12:30. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't know. There was talk about putting me in one of the combines for corn, so that would be nice instead of running one of the grain carts for corn. But yeah. Well, the moisture went down from about 15 to about 12 now. Turn around here real quick. Yeah, these heads got the belts on them. Boom. So yeah, instead of the auger, it's just the belt that runs it across the head into there's another belt in the middle there that feeds it up to an auger that feeds it up through the feeder house. Sometimes they get stuck, beans roll underneath it, wheat rolls underneath it or something and clogs it up, but hey, sometimes the auger gets stuck too, so it's about a horse apiece. Yeah, that one side right there just doesn't want to fucking cut on one side, and I got out and I looked, thinking there was just a guard or a section missing, which there shouldn't be because we replaced any fucking broken ones this morning. I couldn't see anything, but it's still fucking pushing them over there, just on that one strip. Same spot. It's like, what the fuck? Yeah. Oh, fuck, I'm tired. We got all the way over to those fucking trees to go. But, we finished half a fucking field. We finished the north side, so we're just working on the south side now. This was a little green yet. So we've been moving around and around, finishing other fields, whatnot. Fixing shit, I fucked up the goddamn fucking marker on that side. Fucking went down into a goddamn dip and bent the motherfucker. Then I called the grain cart operator over and we hooked a chain around it and straightened it out the best we could, and had to tighten the spring up on it because it was just digging down into the fucking dirt and bending it again. So the other day when I went into work for a couple hours, we straightened it back out and welded it, put it back on there and tightened that spring all the way up. So yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah, pheasant hunting openings this weekend. I might try to get Saturday off to go with. I can't hunt, but I'll go with. You know, because we get a group of hunters from Wisconsin every year, and we only get to see them once a year, so I want to get some time off to see them. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But, yeah. Just wanted to make a quick video. It's Crazy Redneck, signing off. Peace out.